Hello and welcome to Hakista TV. In this video, we will be checking out this Sobo laminated padlock. You can buy this for 199 pesos and let's see what type of security you can get for this price. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's do a bottom of the keyway tension. And let's pick the pin one by one. That's the first one. And as you can see, this is how fast you can pick a 199 peso lock. And if you like this video, check out my other lockpicking playlist here on Hakista TV. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.